Hey everyone, welcome back to Sidekick English, the podcast where English is your superpower and we are your sidekicks.
If you want to learn English and talk with confidence to anyone, you are in the right place. Before we start, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to sound more confident in English.
Today we talk about something very important. How to talk with confidence to anyone in English, even if you are a beginner.
Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you think, my English is not good. Maybe you are afraid to make mistakes. We understand. We also feel nervous in other languages.
Yes. For example, when I try to speak Spanish, my brain says, you will say something stupid, just run away. But we are not going to run away. We're going to talk.
In this episode, you will learn simple phrases, easy strategies, and fun tricks to sound more confident in English. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need courage and some small tools.
Imagine this. You walk into a room. There are many people. They talk, they laugh, they drink coffee. You want to join the conversation, but you stand in the corner with your phone.
If that is you, this episode is for you. At the end, you will have a simple plan to talk to anyone, step by step.
Let's start with a big secret. Confident people are not always confident inside. They are just good actors.
Exactly. Confidence is like a t-shirt. You can put it on even if you don't feel it inside. In English, we say, fake it till you make it. Act confident, and later you really become confident.
So how can we act confident when we speak English? The first step is your body language. Your body speaks before your mouth opens.
Stand or sit a little bit straight, not like a robot, just relaxed but open. Lift your head a little. Look at the person's eyes sometimes, not all the time. You don't want to look like a statue.
Also, smile a little. Not a crazy big smile. Just a small, friendly smile. A small smile says, hi, I'm kind. I'm not dangerous. You can talk to me.
And when the other person speaks, you can nod your head a little to show you are listening. This is easy. You don't need advanced English to smile and nod.
Now let's talk about your voice. Many English learners speak very, very quietly. Then people cannot hear them, so they say, what? 3 times? You feel bad. You think your English is the problem. But maybe your volume is the problem.
Try this. When you speak English, use 10% more volume than normal. Just a little louder, not like you're at a rock concert, just like you want the person to hear you clearly.
Slower is also better. When we are nervous, we speak super fast. Then we make more mistakes, we forget words, and we feel worse. So, speak a little slower. Take a small breath before you talk.
Remember, native speakers also pause. They say or you know when they think. It is normal. You don't need to sound like a robot reading a script.
Okay, that was body and voice. Now we go to words. Many students think, I need more vocabulary before I can talk to people. But we say no. You need better strategies with the words you already know.
You do not need 10,000 words to talk with someone. You can have a great conversation with 500 or 1,000 words if you use them well.
Let's start with a very useful group of phrases. Conversation openers. These are simple things you can say to start talking to someone.
For example, imagine you meet someone at a party. You can say, hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Theo. What's your name?
Easy, right? Here are more. Where are you from? What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? How do you know the host? This one is great for parties.
If you are at work or at school, you can say, how is your day going? Is this your first time here? What are you studying? How do you like this class?
Also, you can start a conversation with something around you. We call this comment on the situation. For example, it's really hot today. The music is so good here. This coffee is strong. That's a cool jacket.
Then, after your comment, you can add a question. It's really hot today. Do you like summer? That's a cool jacket. Where did you get it? The music is so good here. Do you know this band?
These are easy sentences. You probably already know all the words, but when you put them together like this, they become powerful tools.
Now you might ask, but what if my mind is empty? I don't know what to say. This happens to everyone, so we use conversation hacks.
Our first hack is use "How about you?" This small question is amazing. When someone talks about themselves, you can just say, "How about you?" to continue.
For example, person. I'm from Brazil. You? Nice. I'm from Turkey. How about you? Do you like living here?
Wait, in that example, you are from Turkey and from Brazil at the same time.
I'm international. I am from the world.
Okay, Superman. Another hack. Use follow-up questions. These are small more questions after the first answer. You don't need to be creative. You can use the same question structures every time.
Here are some follow-up questions you can use in many situations. Really? Why? Oh, since when? Do you like it? How often do you do that? What do you like about it?
Let's see an example. Imagine the person says, "I'm a nurse." You can say, "Really? Since when? Do you like it? What do you like about it? How often do you work night shifts?"
With just these 4 questions, you can have a long conversation. You don't need to talk a lot. You just show interest.
This is very important. Confident people are not the people who talk all the time. Confident people are often good listeners.
Yes, listening is a superpower. Many English learners think, I must speak a lot to show I am good. No, you can be quiet sometimes and just listen actively.
What is active listening? It is when you show with your face and your words that you are paying attention.
You can use small reactions like, wow, really? No way. That's interesting. Oh, I see. Nice.
These words are small, but they make the conversation warm. The other person feels good. They think, wow, this person is so friendly and confident.
Now we know how to start a conversation and how to keep it going. But there is still an elephant in the room.
What elephant?
The elephant called mistakes. Many students think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh at me.
Let's be honest. Will some people laugh? Maybe. But those people are not your people. Kind people do not laugh at you for trying to speak a new language.
Also, native speakers make mistakes in English all the time. They say the wrong word, they forget grammar, they change the sentence when they talk.
Yes, and I make mistakes in my own language when I am tired. I say things like, I will go to the thing with the thing. Very professional.
So your new idea is, mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning, not that you are stupid.
To feel more comfortable with mistakes, learn some repair phrases. These are phrases to help you when something goes wrong.
For example, sorry, I don't know the word in English. How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak a bit slower, please? Did I say that correctly?
These are powerful. You don't need to hide when you don't understand. You can just ask. This is what confident people do.
Also, you can correct yourself when you see a mistake. For example, I go to the store yesterday. I mean, I went to the store yesterday.
Easy. No drama. You just fix it and continue.
Now, let's talk about speaking with different types of people. Strangers, friends, teachers, and maybe your crush.
Oh, the crush. The final boss of conversation.
Yes, if you can talk to your crush, you can talk to anyone.
Let's start with strangers. When you talk to a stranger, keep it simple and light. Don't ask very personal questions in the beginning.
For example, good questions are, where are you from? What do you do? What do you do for fun? Do you live near here?
Try not to ask very strong questions like, how much money do you make? Why are you still single?
Those are level 100 questions. We are at level 1.
With friends, you can be more relaxed. You can talk about everyday life. How was your day? What did you do today? What are your plans for the weekend? What shows are you watching now?
With teachers or bosses, be a little more polite. You can say, excuse me, can I ask you something? Could you explain that again, please? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate your time.
Okay, now the fun part. Talking to your crush in English. Many people suddenly forget all English when they see their crush.
You look at them and your brain says, system error. So let's make it easier.
Start with normal, friendly questions. Do not think, I must be romantic. Just be curious about them.
For example, hi, how's it going? What kind of music do you like? Do you like movies? What's your favorite movie? Do you like to travel? What's your dream place to visit?
These are safe questions. You can use them with anyone, not only your crush. The more you use them, the more natural you feel.
Now let's talk about something many students worry about: accent and pronunciation. Maybe you think, my accent is bad, I sound terrible.
But your accent is not bad. It is part of your identity. It shows your story. The goal is not to sound like an American or British person. The goal is to be clear. You don't need to practice for hours. Just notice the sound and try slowly. Over time, your pronunciation becomes better.
But remember, you can still speak with confidence even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Confidence is not perfect sound. Confidence is your attitude.
Speaking of attitude, let's talk about your thoughts. What you think before you speak can change how you feel.
Many people think I will make mistakes. They will judge me. They will think I am stupid. These thoughts kill your confidence.
Try to change your thoughts to more helpful ones. I am learning. It's okay to make mistakes. People are usually kind. I just want to connect, not be perfect. Every conversation is practice.
These are small mental changes, but they are powerful. You can choose your thoughts like you choose your clothes.
Let's build a confidence routine before you speak English. Something short that you can do in 30 seconds.
For example, Step 1, take one deep breath in and out. Step 2, smile a little. Step 3, say to yourself in your head, it's okay to make mistakes. I just want to connect.
Then go talk. Don't think for 20 minutes. Just go.
Now we want to give you a simple formula for conversation in English. You can use this formula almost everywhere.
The formula is start, share, ask.
Start. Say a simple opener. Share. Say something about yourself. Ask. Ask a question.
Let's see it in action. Imagine you are in an English class and you sit next to a new person. You, hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. Start you. I'm from France. This is my first time in this class. Share you. Where are you from? Ask.
Easy. Another example at a party. You, hey, the music is really good. Start, you. I love this band. I listen to them a lot. Share you. Do you know them? Ask.
Start, share, ask. Very simple, very powerful.
Okay, we talked about confidence, body language, openers, follow-up questions, listening, mistakes, pronunciation, attitude, and a conversation formula.
That is a lot. So let's give you a small homework that is not scary.
Homework. In the next 24 hours, talk to one person in English, just one. It can be online, at school, at work, with a friend, or even with a language partner.
Use the formula start, share, ask. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is just to talk.
Another small challenge. Before you sleep tonight, think of 3 simple questions you can ask people. For example, what do you do? What are your hobbies? What kind of music do you like?
When you have these questions ready in your mind, you feel more relaxed when you meet someone. You don't need to think from zero.
And remember, confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build conversation by conversation.
If you speak English for 5 minutes every day, in 1 year, you will be a completely different person. You will look back and say, wow, I was so shy before.
But future you needs present you to be brave today. Just a little brave, not crazy brave.
Before we finish, let's review some of the most useful phrases from today.
Conversation openers. Hi, I'm Theo. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? How do you know the host? How is your day going? Is this your first time here?
Follow-up questions. Really? Why? Oh, since when? Do you like it? How often do you do that? What do you like about it?
Repair phrases. Sorry, I don't know the word in English. How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak a bit slower, please? Did I say that correctly?
Small reactions for active listening. Wow, really? No way. That's interesting. Oh, I see. Nice.
If you want, you can write some of these in a small notebook or in your phone. Then check them before you go to a social event.
And you can come back to this podcast anytime. Listen again, practice the phrases, and see how your confidence grows.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to have perfect moments with people. You can make friends, get opportunities, and have fun with your simple English now.
We believe in you. Your English is already better than you think. You just need to use it.
If you enjoyed this episode and you want more English podcasts like this, subscribe to Sidekick English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to talk with confidence in English.
And tell us your story. When was the last time you spoke English with someone? How did you feel?
Leave a comment below. We read your comments, and they help us make better episodes for you.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Keep talking, keep trying, and remember, every conversation is practice.
See you in the next episode of Sidekick English.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.